How to delete a saved password from your Google account on Android. This tutorial shows you how to find and remove any saved password from Google Password Manager. First, open Chrome on your Android device and tap on the three dots at the top right corner. After that, tap on Settings from the menu. From there, tap on Google Password Manager. At this point, you will see a list of all the websites and apps that have saved passwords stored in your Google account. In the next step, scroll through the list and tap on the site or app whose password you want to delete. Following this, you will be prompted to verify your identity using your fingerprint or device PIN. Go ahead and confirm. Once done, once you are inside, you will be able to see the saved username and password for that site. From here, look at the bottom of the page and tap on the Delete button on the right side next to the Edit button. Finally, a confirmation pop-up will appear. Tap Delete again to confirm, and that password will be permanently removed from your Google account. And that's it. If this Android guide helped you delete a saved password from your Google account, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.